Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can change the language in your Taobao app. So, this is a fully Chinese website, and it might be confusing to search through this Chinese, the navigation bar here in Chinese. So, the way you can do is that if you're using Google Chrome, there is a inbuilt function to translate the website. You just press the upper right button here, the Google Translate button there, and just click on it, and then you can click translate to English. Now wait for it to translate. There you go. After a couple of seconds, it'll translate straight into English like this. If you hover about some things, like for this, for example, if I hover over earlier, you could see that it might take a couple of seconds to translate into English because it's doing this in real time. Like for example, if I click on this frying pan here and it takes me to a new tab, it might take a bit because it's translating it in real time. Give it a second. It'll pop up automatically. Just click on English, and there you go.